Hello, everybody. This is Abdul Salam in front of you. Hope you all are fit and fine. I am also doing fantastic by the grace of Almighty Creator. So, dear lovely friends, today I have come here because my working purposes and video making purposes. Today weather is very shine and so dear lovely friends, behind me one river. This river name is Gaurang River, and another side one river. This river name is Brahmaputra River. So in this moment, I'd like to say something about this area, and this is the most big field. There are so many peoples and cultivate so many type of crops like wheat and uh, paddy and so many type of crops, and this is the most important crops. It's called paddy. Paddy is the I think paddy is the uh, most important paddy, and as a human beings is the most important. So another side, there are so many peoples and watering in your silly field and paddy field, and in our this side you can see it's called white, and it's a very essential food, yeah, as a human beings, and so right now I am standing here. It's called Silly Field. So very beautiful scenery, and it's a all overall. It's a mesmerizing place, and so thank you, and see you again